I'm not sure if I should sign anything that I'm not
Well,
supposed to.
I'm just going to tell you, a refusal to sign a citation is an arrestable offense.
So you're going to arrest me?
You can't leave! You want to go to jail today! You want to go to fucking jail today! You want to stop your car and put it in park right now!
Okay. Let me sign the papers.
It's too late, man.
You're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going to get tased in about 2 seconds.
On the 21st of March 2025, Charlotte County deputies stopped a driver clocked at 85 miles per hour in a posted 45 miles per hour zone.
Hello, Deputy Sheriff's Office. The reason why I'm stopping you, had you at 85 miles an hour coming into the 45.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you were at 85 miles an hour, and you actually encroached into the 45 mile an hour zone.
Back there it says 55.
Even if the speed limit back there is 55.
Yeah, that's what I was going on.
No, you're going 85. Yeah, you're cruising. Do you have your license on you?
Sure.
This section now is 45.
Right, because I'm almost home. I've done, okay.
Thank you. Everything good with your license? No outstanding tickets or anything like that?
No.
I'll be right with you.
Here's
your license. Sorry. So this is a citation for that speed, okay? The 85 and the 45. It does not. So with that, you don't get any of the 3 options. You have to contact this number on the front and schedule a court hearing, okay? It doesn't allow me to give you a fine amount, all right?
Florida Statute, Section 316.183, operating 30 plus miles per hour over the limit, triggers mandatory court appearance. No roadside fine is permitted. Florida Statute, Section 318.18, the deputy had no discretion to accept payment. The signature was a promise to appear, not an admission of guilt. Florida Statute, Section 316.6503, is unambiguous. Willful refusal to sign a citation is a second-degree misdemeanor. The deputy's legal position was correct from the first warning. The subject's belief that arrest was unlawful was mistaken.
All I need from you is a signature.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Deputy, it's right there on the bottom of the citation right there.
You didn't hear what I asked. Yeah.
You said, what is my name? I said,
No,
it's
I
Deputy.
did not ask you that.
Okay.
Sir. You said that I have to go for a court hearing. I said, what do you mean by that?
It means you got to contact that number and schedule an appearance in front of the judge. The speed is too great for me to issue a fine amount because you're over 30 miles an hour over the speed limit.
On the writing choice in the roadway, one appears to be indentured.
Okay.
So all I need is a signature from you. It's not saying you're guilty. It's just saying you're going to contact that number and schedule a court date. That's all.
I'm not sure if I should sign anything that I'm not
Well,
supposed to.
I'm just going to tell you, a refusal to sign a citation is an arrestable offense.
So you're going to arrest me because I do not understand what you're talking about?
I don't understand what you don't know what I'm saying to you. I had your speed at...
Hold on, let me call my...
Okay, so this is the deal. You were doing 85 miles an hour
hold on a second,
and a
sir.
45.
I just told you I am making a phone call.
Listen, I'm not here to make phone calls.
Okay, so you want me to sign something that
Yes.
I'm not comfortable with? And then I said, let me
You're
make
signing...
Because you said you're going to arrest me for
Yes.
something that I do not
Yes.
understand why you're going to arrest me for. So I need
I'll
to
explain
call
it
my
again.
family member.
You don't have to call your family member. You're
Yes,
an adult.
I do, sir.
No, you don't.
No, yeah, sir.
I'm telling you right now.
Legal right. I have my rights.
Okay,
My rights.
driving is a privilege, not a right. We're going to start out with that. So, again, you were doing 85 miles an hour and a posted 45 mile an hour speed
And I
limit.
said I was not. I was
Okay.
55.
We're not going to argue road sign. That's
course.
something that you go to a judge.
Correct.
And in this case, you don't get 3 options like a normal speed citation. You get the option of calling the number and scheduling a court hearing. At that time, you can make your argument with the judge that you were not speeding. Okay? That's the time that you get to argue. You don't get to argue roadside. Okay?
I'm not arguing with you, sir.
You are arguing.
Okay.
Okay?
So you're going to arrest me because I'm not arguing with you.
I'm not saying you're not. I'm not saying I'm arresting you for not agreeing. I'm saying if you fail to sign a citation for a court date.
I am picking up the citation. I will go to the court, but I'm not signing something that I do not understand.
Okay. Do you want my supervisor to explain this to you? He's right behind me.
Do you want me to call my family member? Because it's right on the phone.
Nothing what your family is going to say is going to change what I'm about to tell you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I would understand them better than you.
Hey, Traffic 6, you want to come over here?
Because you said you're going to arrest me for calling my family member?
I didn't say I was going to arrest you for
did.
calling your family member. I said I would arrest you for not signing, saying that you're going to show up to your court date.
You cannot arrest me for that,
Okay.
sir.
I'm going to let you talk to my supervisor. He's going to tell you that I can arrest you for not signing the citation.
No, you cannot arrest me for that.
All right. It's called failure to sign a summons.
No.
Okay.
No.
I'll be right with you. You can't leave!
When the subject moved the vehicle, she risked an additional charge, underflaw. Section 316.1935, fleeing or eluding a law enforcement officer. Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977. Officers may order a driver out of any vehicle during a lawful stop as a matter of officer safety, no further justification required. Once a lawful arrest is initiated, a last-minute offer to sign does not cure the refusal. Florida courts have upheld this standard consistently.
You want to go to jail today? You want to go to fucking jail today? You want to stop your car and put it in park right now?
Okay.
Get out of the car right now.
I'm not.
Get out of the car.
No, you
get
cannot.
out of the fucking
No,
car.
I'm not. Hey. Don't swear at me. Don't swear at me. You're not, sir.
Hey,
he's not allowed to open my vehicle.
Yes, he is allowed.
No, he's
telling
not.
You, why are you driving away from a traffic stop?
Because I'm talking to him. He walked away from me.
I said hold
He
tight
didn't-
right
No,
now.
sir. I was talking to him.
So you would drive
and
away while he's got your driver's license and all your
He
paperwork?
gave me my driver's license. He gave me my paperwork. And then he told me something that I don't agree with. He said, if you do not agree with that, I said to you, you will go to jail. I said, no. I want to call my family member to see why I'm going to jail for. I'm a citizen in here. What am I going to jail for? You give me a citation, sir. You give me a citation, sir. I said I will comply. I gave you my license and everything. So now you tell me you're going to put me to jail.
So, was it 30 over?
85 and a 45.
Okay, so
Sir,
yeah, so
I was doing 55.
hey, listen, it doesn't matter if you're doing 55. It doesn't matter. You have to sign that.
Sir.
Yeah, you're not going to sign it? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
And then I will go to the judge.
Okay.
I will
Listen,
go to the
do me a
judge.
favor. No,
Sir.
take your hand off of me.
Sir, I'm not putting
Step
my
out
hand
of the
on
car.
it.
Step
No,
out of
sir.
the car.
No.
You're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going to jail.
Wait
on,
a
get
minute.
out. Come on.
Wait a minute. Wait
Come
a
on,
minute.
is she
Okay,
in park?
let me sign the paper.
It's
Let me
too
sign
late,
the paper.
man.
Too late.
Too late. You're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going to get tased in about 2 seconds.
Sir.
Step out of the car.
Wait a minute.
You're
Whoa.
going to jail.
Wait a minute. Why y'all doing this?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, wait.
Put your hand behind your back.
Sir, wait a minute.
Put your hand behind your back. You're under arrest. You are under arrest. Put your hand behind your back.
This is not right.
10-4-1
This is not right. This is not right. This is not right. Sir, this is not right.
Okay, you were.
Sir, this is not right. You just
Listen,
punched
you
me in
were
my
ordered
face.
to. Yeah, explain.
punched me in my
Listen
face.
to me. No, nobody punched you in your face. Say so.
So I can
Stop resisting.
I'm not
You're gonna
resisting.
get your
You are.
resisting charge.
put your hands behind
Put your hand behind your back.
I am.
I don't. What are you reaching for?
I'm not reaching for anything.
Blue teams on this team.
Yep.
You punched me on my face for no reason.
Nobody
Listen,
punched you in
nobody
your face.
punched you.
Okay.
We gave you several
I'm
lawful
recording
orders
this.
to exit. We're recording it too. You were
Okay.
given several lawful orders to exit your vehicle.
No, you did not.
Yeah, I told you to step out.
Alright, we're gonna go to the black car.
Can you not push me?
Yeah,
No,
you
can
are
not
under
push me?
arrest.
Graham versus Connor, 1989, force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with 20/20 hindsight. The subject alleged she was struck during extraction. If substantiated, this supports a civil rights claim under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. The racial bias allegation invokes equal protection under the 14th Amendment. With a documented radar reading, selective enforcement is difficult to establish here.
Can I put my shoes
Sir.
on? Can I put my
I'll
shoes
go
on?
get your
sir?
shoes.
Yes.
Sure.
I'm gonna take your license.
No, no, no. These are my properties.
Yes,
This
it's
is
gonna
my
go with
property. No, I'm putting, sir.
Ma'am,
Sir,
let go
sir,
of your
can I have my
license.
property, sir? Sir,
Hey, let go of it. You're under arrest. You can't have anything. You are under arrest, ma'am. Listen to me. Don't make it any harder. It has to be. You're under arrest. You're going to jail. That's it.
okay, can I have my wallet?
We will get your wallet.
We'll get all your stuff. Did you make sure she don't? I mean, we can't search it, but.
Wait a minute, what are you doing?
All right.
Why are you
sure you don't
following
have
me?
any
Why are you
weapons on
following me, sir? Why are you touching my boob?
No one's touching you. Have a seat.
Okay, don't push me like that.
No one's pushing
That
you.
was so rude.
You're being rude.
No, you were given several orders. You
No, I
didn't.
was
You didn't
not,
comply.
though.
We're gonna
I was not.
seatbelt you, okay?
Don't
Hey,
touch
put your
me,
rear
though.
camera on. Okay, watch. I'm gonna reach over and grab your seatbelt. Put your camera on.
Did you put your camera
Okay.
on when you punched me, though?
Sit back for me, please.
I am sitting back.
Okay, I need to reach around you.
Sir, can you stop pushing me, please?
Where's your? Hold on.
Sir, can you stop pushing
Hey,
me?
is your? You want to hand it to me?
So you don't like black folks, huh? Is that
Why
what
does it have to be that?
Because I didn't do
Maybe
anything.
my wife is black. How do you not know that?
Like I said,
How
I
do
did
you not know
I
that?
did not do anything
Okay.
for you guys
But
to
why do you
manhandling me like
automatically
that.
assume?
For you to manhandling me like that.
Okay. You were explaining you have to sign the option or it's jail, and
He
you
told
said
me.
no.
He told me that. I said I do not understand what he's saying. I just need somebody to explain to me what he's saying. And then he calls you, push me, punch me on my face, and then put me in here for what? What have I done wrong? Okay, that thing is really tight. It's breaking my arm.
It's breaking. Well, sit
No,
back.
the handcuff.
Okay. They're not comfortable. They're not designed to be comfortable.
Charges. Section 316. 6503. Refusal to sign, and Section 843.02, resisting without violence. Combined exposure. Up to 1 year in jail, $1,000 in fines, 12 months probation, deputy grade B-. Legally sound throughout. Appropriate escalation. Supervisor call was commendable. Deducted for profanity and failure to check handcuff fit upon complaint. Supervisor grade B. Calm and accurate explanation. Arrived at the right moment. Earlier intervention may have prevented the arrest entirely. Subject grade C+. Genuine initial confusion noted. However, refusal to sign, vehicle movement, and delayed compliance created compounding criminal exposure, all avoidable. Lesson: a citation signature is not an admission of guilt. Disputing the facts belongs in court, not on the roadside. Refusal converts a $300 fine into 2 criminal misdemeanor charges. Lesson: when uncertain, sign and contest in court. That right is constitutionally protected and strategically superior to roadside confrontation. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.